TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 24. You get the NASDAQ off 8. S&Ps are flat. Gold contract down $19.70, trading at $12.28 an ounce. Silver down 27 cents, $16.27 an ounce. Platinum flat at $8.97 an ounce. You get copper down 4 pennies, $2.49 a pound. Light sweet crude getting slammed down $133, $46.50 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 12 ticks, 125.04. 30-year bond off a full point, 151.24. King dollar down 142 ticks, 98.940. The euro is trading at 109 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 112.78 to the U.S. dollar. Bottom line is that they get metals down. You have the oil market down. We're going to start right over with good old King dollar. Why King dollar today, folks? Well, when you look at the King dollar, this is what you have happening out here. King dollar has been trying to get into the gap from how it gapped down and basically took out its swing low. That gap down was on the 21st of April. We get to a price point today of 99.340. Guess what? You get another failure in price, failure in volume. Bottom line, it looks to me like we're coming into the weekend. This good old King dollar wants to go after the swing low again of this 98.560. Now, that's going to put volatility into this market. Let's go over to the S&Ps. You take a look at the S&Ps. What the S&Ps have done this morning is that they're testing the last high, which was the high was of the 26th of April. We're 238.42 right now. Bottom line, you close at 238.35 or less, this baby's going south. We have window dressing over. You have Facebook out of the way. You get Tesla out of the way. You get Apple out of the way. Bottom line, let's go to the NDX and see what it's doing. NDX 100, right now down $13. We hit a price point today of 56.29 and 56.25. You close into 56.25 and get an expansion of volume, which at this particular time, it's hard to tell whether we're going to get one or not. Right now, the Qs are down with 2 million shares. If the Qs do over 25 million shares, that's going to set up a run down to 132.45. Right now, we're trading at 136.68. Gold contract. They've been slamming gold, slamming it good. Went down heavy yesterday. What we had out here today, gold goes to 12.25. The 12.25 number, folks, is going into the high of how we came off the March 15th low. So bottom line, thus far, it's rejected, lower price. It's going to have lighter volume. Bottom line, we'll see whether this is it, meaning is this the end of the correction? We go take a look at the silver market. Silver's been a one-way trade downtown in a big way. Silver traded to 16.25. Right now, you're at 16.33. Notes and bonds, that's going to be a big number out here today. So the note market is down 12 ticks. We have done 646,000 contracts. That's still not even close. It's going into 2 million contracts. This is about as deviant as you can get, meaning it totally makes sense that notes would go down and rates would go up because the Fed, bottom line, is looking to raise short-term rates again in June. But guess what? The market, the buyers, the sellers, continue to not kill the 10-year nor the 30-year. The 30-year is down a full point right now. 30-year also, though, is going into the top of the consolidation it broke out from, and it's doing that with dramatically lighter volume. In fact, we only have 125,000 contracts in the 30-year. And bottom line, it's coming into 279,000 contracts. We take a look at the right back over to the NDX 100. So for the NDX 100 out here today, folks, is something that you want to keep your eye on because it led all the way up. The bottom line is that we'll see if, in fact, you get an expansion of volume and lower price out here today. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.